Okay, so solve. So what's different about this system? One's a quadratic, which means the shape of the graph is, it's a parabola. In this case, it is a parabola. It is correct to say that not all quadratics are parabolas. We'll see that when we get to chapter 10. But in this case, it's definitely, because just one term is squared, is definitely a parabola, which means that we know we're looking at something like this, a parabola and a straight line. And they could cross in two places. They could cross in one place if it just hits one spot, right? Or they could actually not cross at all. Yeah, you can go right straight down. That could be a point too. So we don't know how many solutions we're going to get. We need to solve it. Just use the substitution method and solve. Okay, y equals 2. Okay, so solve this one for y. So this one will give us y equals 2x plus 1. I agree. Okay, then what? Right. Put that in the place of y there. X squared plus 4x minus, and it's important here that you say in parentheses, 2x plus 1 equals 7. Right, so that's x squared plus 4x minus 2x minus 1 equals 7. Right, if you didn't put it in parentheses, you might have still been carrying a plus 1 there, and that wouldn't be right. Right, so now it's a quadratic, so we need to get everything on one side, 0 on the other, combine like terms. This is x squared plus 2x plus, oh, that was wrong, minus 8 equals 0. Okay, that's a simple quadratic to factor, right? The two numbers whose product is -8 and the sum is 2. Try again. +4 and -2. Okay, so x equals -4, +2. Okay, so what that tells us now is it's definitely this situation, right? It's intersecting at 2 points. And now we need to substitute twice into this equation to find the y values that go with each one of those. So in order to find the y value that goes with -4, I'm just going to say y of -4, I'm using it like a function notation, equals 2 times -4 plus 1, which is -7, right? So that gives us the point, -4, -7. And then let's do the same thing for x equals 2. Y of 2 equals 2 times 2 plus 1, which is 5. So the second point is 2, 5.